Daniel, I was very concerned about your case, and now you've had a little bit of time to go through everything, many years, in fact, of bank accounts with my clerk. Are you satisfied that you've had time to do that?
Yes, I have.
Having gone through your bank accounts now, your claim is for £1,432.50, minus what you believe Mum has paid you. In other words, what you can show on that bank account. Now you ask me to award you £1,312.50.
Correct.
What's been prepared, along with somebody to assist you, is what's called a schedule of payments. Do you have that in front of you?
I do, yeah.
Could you stand next to him, please, Michelle? Thank you. Now, what payments from the schedule are collected to the loan?
The ones ranging from 150.
On some occasions, this represented you paying money for the loan. But it can't be on every occasion because you're claiming for £5, £62, £75 and £20. Yes? Right at the top. Thank you, Michelle.
Yep.
What appears to be happening, in addition to the odd time that you would pay the loan, I believe you, that you would also make what's called ad hoc payments. In other words, you'd pay your mum in dribs and drabs when she needed it or wanted it, correct?
Correct.
Understood. Diane, when you come to court, you have to be very prepared, especially if you're claiming for a specific sum, and especially in circumstances where you're bringing your mum to court. The first problem that you have is proving that you have an enforceable contract with your mum. Now, for nearly all of the things that you've lent her money for, you do not. However, in this case, I do find that it was absolutely agreed between the parties that in the event Mum didn't satisfy the loan, you would become de facto guarantor. In other words, although your brother signed for it, you would be responsible. And there are, as far as I can see, 4 instances where you paid those sums. Consequently, this court awards you £535. You wanted significantly more. The court can only award what is legally enforceable and what you can prove. Understood?
Understood.
That's the money in this case. What is desperately sad is that you have a mum who wants to see her granddaughter, who I am entirely convinced loves you very much. It's a matter for you both what you do moving forward. But it would be a great shame to lose each other over money.
Yeah.
Understood?
Understood.
Before you leave court, I'd ask you to shake hands. Are you prepared to do that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Award of this court is £535. Diane. It's been a long afternoon. From what I can see, it's been worth it.
Daniel was awarded £535 of his original claim. Let's find out how both parties felt about the ruling.
I don't want to. Daniel, my world. I don't ever want to lose you.
You won't.
I feel relieved that it's over and I'm not going to lose him. That was my biggest fear. I don't ever want to lose. I love all my kids equally. I really do. And to go through this with my son, it was horrible.
It does feel like I can be more honest with her now. And hopefully we can get back to the way we was. Obviously we can't. We're not as close distance-wise anymore, but hopefully we can talk to each other, let them know, each other know how we feel.
Please talk to me, Dan. You know I'm always here for you, always.
Yeah,
just please talk to me.
Okay.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.